Hey guys, today we're going to change out the cup holder in this 2007 Saab 9.3. This is going to help you with any 2007 or newer 9.3 that has the facelift interior in it. Once you have a replacement, the good news is that this cup holder part is shared from 2003 and newer, so it doesn't matter what it comes out of. But on these cars, it's a bit simpler than the first, and essentially we need to pull away this panel, the climate panel, and eventually this cover in the first steps. So to get access, what you want to do is put the car in neutral, have your handbrake on or something chalking the rear wheels, maybe have your foot on the brake, and then with two hands, I've already loosened this one, with two hands, pull this bottom tray out and put it to the side. And then actually the climate control also pulls out. It's basically a snap together system. And so we just want to gently put that to the side. Next, you're going to want to pull off this trim cover, and you can't just pull it out. And I should note that it does feel like a pretty brittle piece, so be careful. But you can hook your hand up under and grab on this, and for me, pushing this or pulling down and kind of rotating released it from its place. So you can kind of see that this panel inserts up behind here, so you need to have it come down and out. And then from there, we need two flathead screwdrivers to release the clips on the cup holder. And I'll show you what I mean. It's sitting in here like this right now, and you need to press both of these tabs down at the same time to release the cup holder unit, and then it'll come out. So I'll show you the setup here. So I used my phone as a flashlight so you can see the tabs, and what you want to make sure is that when you're inserting the screwdrivers, they're going above the cup holder and not into the slot. So with those tabs depressed, the cup holder then falls right out, and it looks like someone's actually been in here before in this car. And from there, the new one will just slide back in. So when you're putting the new one in, make sure that that tab on the right kind of lines up in its home. You'll see there's also a tab sticking out here that fits in there. And now that's in. This one's not great, but it works for now. So now that that's in, we'll start reassembly with the top cover plate. It comes in like such. The trick on this one ended up just being push it kind of straight on, and there's tabs on each side that'll hook into. And now with the rest of it being a press fit, just carefully take your climate control system, try to get a better angle for you, then line it up so that the lip with the felt is touching underneath it, and then just start pressing it in. Give this a good detail when I'm done. All right, and that's in place. Now we can take our bottom shelf, which is also a press fit, and good to go. We now have a cup holder that's at least functional, so I find a better one. But again, in the 2007 and newer, much easier than in the previous generation cars. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Good luck.